Welcome back to the channel, guys. So this is update 22, I think. Now I did record this a moment ago, but I had a bit of a coughing fit, so I had to start again. So I put it all back on at the front, as you remember in the previous update. But what was happening was that actually there was a misfire. I didn't know which side it was coming from, so I got my little plastic tongs, wherever they are, somewhere down here. I think it's these ones here. No, that's not them. Well, anyway, those plastic tongs allow me to go and pick up the HT leads, so I don't get electric shock. Now, what I determined is it's number 5 wasn't firing. So I did a compression check, and it was about 50 psi. So I thought, oh, here we go. So first of all, I checked the valve clearances, and bearing in mind, you're meant to check these on cold, not on hot, because obviously they're going to be a different level, because they're going to be expanded. So I checked it anyway, and they were just touching constantly. So what I did is I just reset them to cold amount, just to check it, not to run it, because then when it's gone cold and back down to ambient temperature, I can recheck it again and I can do it again. Anyway, I did a compression check and it's come back up again. It's about 120, something like that. So, and then I turned it over and it sounds a lot better than it did. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to redo all the valve clearances on them again, and make sure that I've got them correct, because it would appear I kind of was a bit overzealous on this one here, because I couldn't even get the feeler gauge in there. Usually you can get the feeler gauge under it when it's hot, and I couldn't do it. It was just, there was nothing. Right, so anyway, that's something I'm going to do tomorrow, and then I'm going to check the front pulley again at the front to make sure there's no iron filings. I changed the oil again because it was full of water. So we're getting there, slowly but surely. Hopefully this will be running properly by tomorrow. Anyway, cheers guys, have a good evening, ciao.